Hello friends, and thank you for viewing the Deere Tractor and Implement YouTube channel. Here at Deere Tractor we sell cabs, tractor cabs, combine cabs, swather cabs. We recently sold a cab for a gooseberry snipper, a cranberry harvester, a clam digger, a self-propelled potato digger, and a control center for a gravel pit, along with a rather large tree harvester. So whether you're building a hop harvester or a fancy sprayer, be sure and call Deere Tractor and Implement Company, Deere, Oregon, for all of your enclosed cab desires.